In Colorado's mountain and forest communities, wildfires are a real and growing threat. As a homeowner, protecting your property from these risks is no longer optional. It's essential. At Bellwether Windows, Siding, and Doors, we're committed to helping you fortify your home against wildfire dangers with the right materials and strategies. Let's walk through how you can create a fire-resistant home that provides peace of mind for you and your family. Your home's first line of defense against wildfire is the materials you choose. Let's start with siding. Bellwether recommends James Hardie fiber cement siding, one of the best fire-resistant options available. This Class A fire-rated siding doesn't ignite or melt under high heat, making it a smart choice for Colorado's extreme conditions. Not only does it protect, but it also enhances the beauty of your home with customizable finishes. As a James Hardie Elite Preferred Contractor, Bellwether ensures expert installation for optimal protection. Next, windows play a crucial role in protecting your home during an ember storm. Pellet Impervia fiberglass windows are designed to withstand high temperatures and resist combustion. Paired with tempered glass, these windows provide strength, energy efficiency, and help prevent embers and smoke from infiltrating your home. When it comes to fire protection, these windows are an essential upgrade. Don't forget about your roof. A Class A fire-resistant roof, such as the GF Timberline series or a metal roof, offers excellent protection against embers. Regular maintenance, like clearing gutters and removing debris, is key to preventing fires from spreading to your home. Now, let's talk about the outside of your home. Creating defensible zones around your property can significantly reduce the risk of fire reaching your house. For the first 5 feet, choose non-combustible materials like gravel or stone instead of mulch. As you move further out, thinning dense vegetation, spacing out trees, and removing ladder fuels. Shrubs that allow fire to climb into tree canopies are essential strategies. Attachments like decks and fences are also critical. Wooden decks and untreated fences can fuel a fire. By using non-combustible materials like composite decking or fire-resistant treated wood, you're adding another layer of protection. Even outdoor furniture should be made of metal, glass, or fire-resistant composites to reduce the risk. Water access is another vital element of fire preparedness. Installing a sprinkler system, whether on the roof or throughout your yard, can keep your home and surrounding area damp, adding an extra layer of defense. Even having a pool with a pump can provide an emergency water source for firefighters during a wildfire. Of course, protecting your home is just one part of the equation. Make sure you have an emergency plan in place for your family. Prepare an emergency kit with essentials, stay informed about local wildfire risks, and have a family evacuation plan ready. Taking it one step further, community involvement can amplify individual efforts. Consider joining Firewise communities or collaborating with local authorities to implement fire prevention strategies in your neighborhood. When neighbors work together, they create a collective defense against the destructive forces of fire. At Bellwether, we're proud to help Colorado homeowners protect what matters most. With years of experience in wildfire-prone areas, we offer more than just products. We offer peace of mind. From the unmatched durability of James Hardie siding to the resilience of Pellet Impervia windows, we provide the best materials and expert installation. As Colorado residents, we understand the unique challenges you face and tailor our solutions to meet the demands of your environment.